Okay, so I'm standing there at the corner of Nana and Sukhumvit 11. Sukhumvit 11, they got lots of bars, lots of girls, free lunches, everything, you name it. You go down that way, and you run into a lot of stuff. And of course, 7-Elevens. One 7-Eleven, I saw there was a big brown dog. I said, wow, you can't come to Thailand without running into a dog near 7-Eleven. I don't know, it's just their nature. But this dog was standing, it wasn't lying down like they usually do. There goes the 7-Eleven right there, right now. I wasn't using the GoPro, I was using the iPhone. I don't know. For some reason I still don't know how to use this camera. Look at that. Okay, there it is right there. There's a jewelry store right at the corner. Yeah. This part of the video, for some reason, the audio isn't coming through as strong. But anyway, the whole idea behind this video is to give an idea what's going on. This was January the 4th. This was a Thursday. I believe it was maybe after probably 9 p.m. That's all. I was tired. I just came back to Thailand from Vietnam. Left Ho Chi Minh City the day before. So it was like near the end of my tour really, because my tour was really over, but I just want to come back, spend some time in Thailand before leaving, before going back to New York. So there I am, but I was tired, and it's okay. I'm going to come out Thursday evening. And by the way, look at that lady, how she's sitting there in that skirt. And the bike. You don't really see stuff like that here in New York, right? Women there usually still wear a lot of skirts, unlike here. And dresses too, like this woman. So, yeah, so you see a lot of stuff going on there. The light at this intersection, there's a red light, but it blinks. It's not a steady red at all. So, it's really amazing how they're able to navigate their way through this. They take turns going through. If you were to go to the left of this video, you end up by Terminal 21, the next stop, ASOK, A-S-O-K, and the BTS, the Sukhumvit line. I walked it a few times. It's at that time in the night, for some reason, it was sweaty, really sweaty. Look at that woman there. You see a lot of stuff there that makes it the way it is, Bangkok, no other place like it. It's not like New York or some other place like that. So, and you see the green taxis, those are normal taxis. These I think are like a different type of higher taxis. I have a story with a Grab taxi that never showed up, left me stranded. I was over the Ministry of Tourism and Sports. Don't even ask me what I was doing over the Ministry of Tourism and Sports, but I ended up over there at Knock Road. The driver was supposed to pick me up at the exit right there by Knock Road. Never did, never showed up. So I was stranded, and then my battery died. And then somebody working in the ministry came out and spoke to me in English, of course. And I told him, and he told me, well, if you take a taxi, it's gonna take you maybe like another 20 minutes or so to get over there to the pier, because I want to go to Safan Taxi Pier. There goes the dog right there, dog running in the street. Safan Taxi.